Good morning, class. Today you'll be learning how to convert a quadratic function from standard form to vertex form. Please open in your books to example 4 on page 255. The equation that we're converting is y equals 2x squared plus 10x plus 7. This equation is in standard form. Now we want to change it to vertex form. And remember, vertex form is y equals a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k. So this is the form we want to get to. Step 1. First we need to find the x coordinate of the vertex. And in order to find the x coordinate, we need to remember the formula. X equals, don't burn the 2 apple pies. So we take our a and our b from our original equation and plug it into this equation. Negative b would be negative 10 over 2 times 2, which reduces to negative 10 over 4, which is negative 2.5. The next step, we have to plug in our negative 2.5 because we found it for x. So everywhere we have an x in our original equation, we're going to plug in negative 2.5. So we rewrite it, substituting in negative 2.5 for x. So everywhere I had an x, I replaced it with negative 2.5. The next thing I have to do is simplify. When I square negative 2.5 and add 2 to it, and then multiply 10 times negative 2.5 and add 7, my y is going to equal negative 5.5. If you have a graphing calculator, you can plug this whole equation into your calculator and it's going to give you y equals negative 5.5. And if you want to go through each step to simplify, you can. First, you will square negative 2.5, multiply it by 2, and then multiply 10 times 2.5, and then add 7. But for the sake of time, I'm just going to give you the answer. So your x and y, x, remember we found x was negative 2.5, and your y is negative 5.5. So now we can plug in our x and our y into our vertex form. So I'm going to rewrite it as y equals a times x, and my x was negative 2.5, so this is going to be plus 2.5. And my k, or my y, was negative 5.5, minus 5.5. So I found x, I plugged it in for h. I found y, I plugged it in for k. So my vertex is negative 2.5, negative 5.5. Remember, the first number is always h. The second number is always k. We still do not have a. We still do not have a, so we need to find what letter is a. So we look at our original equation. Who can tell me what a is in the original equation?
Two.
A is 2. So now I write A is 2. And I can rewrite everything else the same. X plus 2.5 squared minus 5.5. And now we have just converted a quadratic equation from standard form to vertex form.